Party low, get a buckle girl for me start the show.
Let's go vibes.
Turn it up, straight vibes. Living at the club like stage light. Get the cups, the ice. Drink and don't come stay nice. Turn it up,
Straight vibes.
living at the club like stage light. Get the cups, the ice. Drink and don't come stay nice. If you can't manage with the water, straight vibes coulda never must scatter. Overproof from home in under, ramping shop, give me my first data. Who make you ram to me father? Sold out of the way to Chicago. Doesn't case like Prince to me Java. Tell us the fever, should I name lava? Turn it up, straight vibes. Living on the club like stage light. Get the cups, the ice. Drink and don't come stay nice.
I'm out.
That it. Remember Gaza and rape. And I represent for Patrick Frey. I'm a ear designer. I remember when they talk about Patrick, the man is scoring and the girl them go like a hat trick. I remember when they talk about Frey, this is a free trim, but even have to pay. Yeah, I know. Well, but I'm saying, no, we know it. Remember, it's original barber, you can't find him at an outlet. So when an outlet, look on the lineup. Girl, come wine up. What the sound of my nose? It a tape?
Yeah.
Gaza and a rape. I mean, I tell you this. They are with the British go. So make sure you feel there, man. Naps. Remember if you do this, you're going to get a box. Swindle. But because I'm a farmer, me and him related, so the fire rekindle. Watch me now. Big up Mr. Ginger here. I remember, you know, when you come to music, you never fail. And big up the Browning. Remember, the Queen Elizabeth never get this type of crowning. What is on my nose?
I'm out.
Your mother kills your bad take on the bank robber. Who boots up each eye the seed under the you bright on your face till you think right.
For Italian, so we say grazie.
Prego.
Prego. I will love Susie and Patsy. No?
So, you say you want
Ooh, your body big. You want me to see you. I just be a kiss me, baby.
kiss him.
The young people out there who are struggling to find their passion and purpose.
I mean, don't rush it. I mean, life is a process. Everything takes time. You know what I mean? Just think about what you love the most, what you do the best, and try to combine the two of them. And God will do the rest. You know? But you don't have to rush and kill up yourself. The whole of we still try to figure out life. Yeah, man. Wow.
What advice